Regarding the health of your sod, we use Bermuda sod on every house that we build. Bermuda is extremely resilient and also low maintenance. What it needs even more than water is going to be sunlight. So in the first year, especially if you install a fence, it's going to be best to identify areas of your yard that don't receive a whole lot of sunlight throughout the day and aren't going to grow in as thick. If you identify those areas and want to get some sod growing on those bare spots, the best thing to do is place some fescue seeds down. Fescue is a type of grass that actually responds to shade in cooler climates better than a lot of sunlight, so that's going to bridge the gap on those areas that are bare because the Bermuda is not getting the sunlight that it needs. In a newer yard, one of the easier ways to tell if your yard is fully established is, can you still see the lines in the sod after it was installed? And if you bend down and you tug on the grass, is it adhered to the ground, or can you lift up those strips of sod? If you can still see the lines, if you can lift up the strips of sod, that's an indicator that your yard is not yet established, and it's best to go ahead and make sure you have your watering settings at the optimal settings. Another thing that you can do to progress the development of your sod is put down some nitrogen fertilizer. Any fertilizer should work, but nitrogen high ratios are what Bermuda responds to the best.